So right now you're hearing the audio quality that's coming out straight out from the Tonor TC-777 microphone. Now this is the same microphone, however I've processed the audio using the free Audacity software. Hey, what is happening everyone, this is Nav, and in this video I'm going to be testing out this Tonor TC-777 budget friendly desktop microphone that was sent to me by the guys over at Tonor. I've tested out Tonor microphones in the past and they seem to be of decent quality, as well as the sound being decent, especially when I've processed the audio. So stay tuned, I will be processing the audio with this microphone as well. It's a little trick that you could do to make a budget microphone sound professional. So without further ado, let's dive in. So a quick look at the box itself. We've got some contact information on one side, specification on the other, so feel free to pause the video if you're interested to have a look at that. Check what's inside. We've got the instruction manual, color manual, so that's good. It's always nice to have a good quality English manual. Service warranty card, and I believe you have two years warranty with this microphone. You've got the mini pop filter, and we have the microphone itself with the included shock mount. The desk mount seems to be of decent quality. Most of it's metal, and we've got rubber band shocks to hold the microphone in place, and even this gooseneck is also metal for your pop filter. And you also have a little wind cover, which you can either use the wind cover or you can use the pop filter. You don't have to use both. I prefer to take the wind cover off and use the pop filter. Now Tonor states that the microphone module is on this side here, so this logo has to be facing you and you speak in this section here. So let's set it up and see how it sounds like. So guys, this is how the microphone should be connected. So with the pop filter on front and with the logo pointing towards you, talking through the pop filter. So what I'll do is test out the audio now. So I'm roughly about, I would say, 4 to 5 inches away from the microphone. So right now you're hearing the audio quality that's coming out straight out from the Tonor TC-777 microphone, desktop USB microphone. So what does the audio sound like? Comment below and let me know how the audio sounds. So this is an audio test, and hopefully this pop filter should be working, should be getting rid of the plosive sounds. So how does the microphone sound? I'm roughly around 4 to 5 inches away from the microphone, testing the audio from the Tonor TC-777. So this is the native sound with no post editing of the sound whatsoever, no processing of the audio. How does it sound? Comment below. Right guys, now I'm going to show you how to process your audio and make your budget microphone sound professional, like a $500 microphone. So all you need to do is download a software called Audacity and open the software. It's free for Mac and Windows. Drag your recording into the software itself. First thing I do, there's only 3 steps really. So under effects, I go on to equalization, and I have a preset name, and all I've done is added a bit of bass and a bit more treble. So it's all down to your voice yourself. So mine, I like to add a little bit of bass and a little bit of treble, but if you're a female, then obviously you wouldn't want the bass section. So play with these settings and just save the settings according to your liking. So press OK, and already this sounds better now. The next thing I go to is to go to compressor, and these are my presets, and this is how I like it. So again, you can mess with these settings and change according to your needs. So my threshold is -15 decibels, noise floor is -40 decibels, ratio 2:1, attack time 0.20 seconds, release time 1 second, and I like those settings. So now you can see that this increased the overall sound of the whole recording as well. And then the final thing that I do is under effects, go on to normalize, so everything sounds equal, so normalize there. And again, I've got minus 0.1 decibels in there, and I've ticked the top box there. I believe that might already be ticked, so click OK, and that's it. Now this is the same microphone, however I've processed the audio using the free Audacity software, so this is how it sounds when the audio is processed. So surely it sounds much better now as the audio is processed. I believe it would sound more like an expensive microphone rather than a budget microphone. So this is the audio coming out of the Tonor TC-777 post-edited processing the audio. So how does it sound now? Right guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, do hit that like button, it helps me out a lot, and if you haven't already done so, consider subscribing as there's plenty more content coming up, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon to be one of the first to know when my videos are out. So until next time, take care guys.